Digital currencies have long since stopped being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. Quant is a middle-tier coin with the ticker QNT, a present value of 103.32 cents, and a market capitalization of $1,247,340,415. In sharp contrast to popular knowledge, it is a resource class that is deliberately severely controlled and astonishingly accepted as legitimately delicate today. Banks buy Quant and other digital currencies at the same time to secure their holdings from government action. Currently is the ideal time to generally uncover or short. Medium and long-haul expectations of the developments on the Q&T market that specifically depend on readings of our largely unique crypto unpredictability record that explicitly helps us in checking the market sentiment and predicting where the market will go, or so they in a real scenario. The dashing expansion that significantly weakens the traditional financial business sectors currently is the ideal time to generally uncover or short, medium, and long-haul expectations of the developments on the Q and contrary to popular opinion. The set positioning is based on the resource's current worth multiplied by its extremely current market capitalization. Currently, Quant is priced at 103.32 cents, and its general ranking is 41st. An equation that is used in the vast majority of financial markets. Our administration closely monitors the movement of Quant and other cryptocurrencies. A week ago, on August 10, QNT was valued at 102.28, meaning that there has been no change in price since that time. Quant's price was 109.77 a month ago on August 11, according to a market participant. Therefore, the coin has moved 5.88 to get to its current position. A similar numerical methodology is used to determine the in general to decide the in every practical set occasions by and large position and notoriety of computerized assets and stocks. The analysis of market capitalization conveys comparative significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, which is in a real sense extremely vital. For example, changes in market capitalization that are especially positive or negative in a practical sense. 2. In a real sense, determine the ongoing business sector capitalization of QNT. We explicitly duplicate the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will essentially be in a real sense made sense of later by the all things considered present value of the digital currency under I. This particular metric is also used to assess Quant's market share relative to the rest of the digital currency market, whose fluctuations may also provide significant hints about its future appearance. On August 9, QNT sort of had a market capitalization of $1,356,833, which is kind of very significant. On August 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to fundamentally was recorded at $1,234,854, in a kind of significant manner in contrast to conventional wisdom. Digital money can be used for dynamic exchanging, stored in the wallets of backers or shared with administrators. Total inventory is the total number of coins produced through various processes like mining. Amazingly, it's generally accepted that digital currencies with a circulating supply between 60 million and 150 million are considered to have a healthy market. This metric also calculates the coins that have been consumed, which is used to control the expansion rate. At the moment, the total supply of Quant is 14,881,364 QNT. It shows the amount of QNT that is as of now being exchanged across all trades, excluding the coins that are marked locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the rotating stockpile of coins at crossroads. Quad ranges from 1207 to 738, which is likewise rather large. A market with high trading volume often has liquidity coming into it, demonstrating the general revenue in digital currencies and ensuring particularly smooth trade execution. However, it should be clearly understood that the data related to the continuous trading volume isn't appropriate for making truly long-term whole cost forecasts. Despite the fact that it provides important insight into the truly current market situation and is essential for short and medium-term cost forecasts, which are essential for a solid digital currency. Financial strength, generally speaking. The rule is to enter the market when volume starts to increase and the cost is pushing out of the union region, and to exit the market when volume starts to decrease following a lengthy convention, which is very crucial. It's surprisingly better if those price changes take place in the places that in fact agree with generally truly large traffic, which are typically represented by tall bars. In order to deal with that, let's look at the trading volume recorded on the Quant market over the following time frames. Contrary to what they in fact believed, during recent hours the trading volume associated with Quant arrived at the place of 17 to 11,409, while recently on August 9 the normal weighted trading volume recorded toward the end of the trading timeframe in fact stayed at 16,275,396. PayPal's introduction of PayPal USD may be the cause of the current increase in Bitcoin's value. Piast is a new cryptocurrency. This international payment company has entered the cryptocurrency world by creating Piast, which is based on Ethereum technology and designed to maintain its value stable. This is significant because it is the first time a major bank has created its own stable digital currency. This shift in perception could boost Bitcoin's value. Modifications to Bitcoin ETFs, implications for Bitcoin price and investor interest. The SEC's acceptance of ARK Invest's Bitcoin ETF, according to CEO Cathie Wood, could take longer than anticipated. According to Wood, the SEC might permit the simultaneous acceptance of many Bitcoin ETFs, which would assist to balance the market's demand, which is currently worth roughly $50 billion. Fidelity and BlackRock, two additional significant investing firms, are contemplating the release of Bitcoin ETFs. Who believes that these businesses will face off against one another in a market war for wellness? Predictions for the price of Bitcoin, BTC, remain optimistic. The underlying outlook is getting better, and Bitcoin's technical setup is still very strong, so price predictions for the short and medium term are still positive. As has already been said, macro remains a small boost for Bitcoin now that the Fed's trend of raising interest rates seems to be over and interest rate cuts are on the way. The closer we get to real rate cuts, the stronger this boost will be. Crypto-specific factors are also working in Bitcoin's favor right now, with recent spot Bitcoin ETF applications from Wall Street heavyweights like BlackRock being the main source of excitement. Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital and a crypto billionaire, said on an earnings call this week that a spot Bitcoin ETF application approval is a matter of when, not if, and could happen in 4 to 6 months.